friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today, I will share with you a new video special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 1 teaspoon of henna powder, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 package of tea powder, 1. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Note the time to apply this recipe on your white hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends or family, and please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.